Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to ULEFONE Note 60 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, pick whatever you want to, and then tap on your device's displays to continue. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Google and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Note 16 Pro. Also on Google, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect, by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!